Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Hope you all are good. Your exam is good. Your health also perfect, inshallah. So, computer exam finish. Result will become very soon. About the result, don't worry. Okay. Maybe some system problem. So inshallah, I will get the what actual the problem. So I will check it. Okay. Don't worry about the marks, because if you did 100% correct and the system's problem, so I can see where your mistake or where the computer mistakes. Okay. So don't worry about your marks, sorry, and concentrate on the studies. Okay, dear all. Okay, now we will start the using a computer, yani lesson number 4. So take out all tensions, how much I get the marks in computer, how much I get the marks in Islamic study, in Arabic. So leave the marks, just concentrate how much you have the knowledge. Sometime you are writing correct, it is a system, it showing the error. So we are sitting here for the correction, where the computer doing the mistakes or where the student are doing the mistakes, so I can see easily. Okay, dear all. So welcome to our computer class, lesson 4, using a computer. Today is Wednesday, so Wednesday have every day is good day. Okay, so using a computer, please read the lesson carefully. In this chapter, learning object, in this chapter we will know about, see, after reading this chapter you will be able to able to start and shut down the computer, identify the desktop screen. Okay, can you see this? Boy is sitting and what he is watching? This is called computer, yani desktop. This is called desktop. What screen is appearing? He see here Windows. So this is called screen, desktop screen. So start, you must learn the right way of switching on and off a computer. You know, student, sometimes we don't know about computer, we don't know about the laptop, we don't know about the mobile. So suddenly we are taking and making ourselves confused. Wow, how it is open, wow, it is beautiful, how it's come on, how we will do the off. So many confusion is there, so don't worry about that. So see, this is the system and computer. Okay, the boy is sitting and watching the desktop screen. Okay, starting a computer. To start the computer, follow the steps given below. What you will do, see, this is the system. Okay, system, desktop, this is the full computer. See, here is the monitor, keyboard, keypad, mouse pad, mouse, CPU, and what is this? UPS. This is CPU and this is UPS. It is saving the light charger power, maybe 2 hours or 8 hours. Okay, the first step is switch on the main power button. Listen, if you are not putting the wire, first of all you take this wire and put on the switch box, then you switch on that button. Understand, everyone? What you will do here, you took the plug and put the switch on. The next step, switch on the CPU. After this switch on main power, you will switch on the this UPS. I told you na, this is UPS. You will switch on the UPS. Means it directly power not come to your CPU. It is coming through the this UPS. Okay. So if the light suddenly will go in India, almost is like that happen. So it will control. Okay. So this is good. Then third step, switch on the CPU. See, first you will put the plug, then UPS, then you will open that CPU. CPU is the main brain of the computer. Okay. Here the fourth thing, switch on the monitor. So the system is working. Just keep in your mind, and when the class will started, I will show you how you will open the system. Okay, inshallah. So I will not take your more time, so please read at least one time this chapter. How much? Only 2 pages, it's not more. Okay, what you will do about the computer, you will take the computer. Nowadays we are using only laptop, mobile, tab. If you want for charging, what you are doing, you are putting the main switch box, then you are opening the main switch button, then power will supply to going to the your mobile and it will be charged. After long time it will showing battery low, so then you will do this process again and again. But before like that system computer, you should continue put on the main power button, means switch, this switch box. You should this if you are putting here plug, you should switch on that power box. Okay, so continue, the current is coming. If you switch off the, that is problem to the your system. So nowadays we are using only laptop, tab and mobile for each and every work. Okay, in office or in what school and hospital, this system is going on. But for us personal, we are using almost laptop, right? Okay, so keep your laptop, computer clean, cover it, keep yourself safe. Hope you enjoy my computer class and don't take stress anything. See, you are doing the work very good. So thank for watching. You are like these dolls. Okay, so take care yourself. Remember in your prayer to me, to your special to your parents, they are helping to you. So bye, take care, Allah Hafiz.